The speed on this machine is absolutely amazing. Even at a 25Z micron setting, we're printing on average about an hour and a half for our pieces. So far, we've been using the machine. Everything's coming out great. I can load up 4 or 5 jobs on for a platform and get 3 platforms printed and into casting or molding that day. So we can really help speed up the process and get things done quicker while not sacrificing quality. I can send the builds directly to the job. I don't even have to save it locally and copy it over. Just send it straight to the machine and I can load it up and start printing, no problem. It's already part of our integration. You know, now it's, oh, I have to print something really quick. Let me just put this on, send it through, get it done. And it's hard to think, like a week ago, we didn't have this machine. That wasn't really an option. We incorporated it into our work process right away.